was never far away.
Look at us. People say you want to come try to fight one dude. You think you're really going to win?
One man runs IMF, Demetrius Flannery, a.k.a. Big Meech.
Meech changed things up nothing. His name Big Meech. Everything he did was big. From the flashiest cars, the icy lights, the baddest shit, the most expensive champagne. That was him. He's very intelligent. He just got a Fortune 500 mind, but he got a screw on top of it.
Let's wait for the movie video. I know why I wonder what he's going to do about it this time. Premiere tomorrow night on Spike.
What's up? Anna. Hey, Chief. Did you see my stuff? No. This one got avocado on it. Oh, mine has avocado on it. Yeah. How about avocado? I'll explain it when I'm done. Thanks. Wow.
Like steak and cheese with avocado. The rich superfood. Add it to your favorite sauce. It's avocado season at Subway.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I cannot believe the acceleration of the new Supersonic. What? Is that 40 miles per gallon highway?
Yeah.
It's like a dream come true.
This is really, really fun. Thank you so much. I'm just going to get
Get your local Chevy dealer today. The all-new Chevy Sonic LS sedan starting at just $14,650. EPA F-135 MPG Highway.
The American Garage. The Taj Mahal of overhaul. Whether it's your place or the pro's place, more than count on the trusted advice of AutoZone than ever before. Parts are just part of what we do. Get in the zone at AutoZone. Minutes by 3 is the #1 rule of the galaxy. Yes, there it is. You know you want Three Musketeers, a whipped-up chocolate center enrobed in rich milk chocolate. What happens when a beer is both refreshing and flavorful? Against Blackwater.
Okay. We've been here for a little while. We're about to go over here and we're going to watch Grandma snore.
Way too expensive. Well, you need to get a fast online quote right now from the General. Rates are low, and you can get insured for as little as $39 a month. And you'll get instant proof of insurance. For a single rate you can get online, go to the General and save some time.
Korean steak tacos, my new favorite. All set with your drink. What else can I get you?
Now Fridays, new choices on our Pick 2 dessert menu. Get an entree plus an appetizer or dessert. Pick 2 for just $10. And anything else, well, that's your call.
Attention women, have you or a loved one taken the prescription birth control pill Yaz? Medical reports have linked Yaz, also known as Yasmin or Ocellus, to severe blood clots, heart attacks, strokes, even sudden death. The FDA warns an increased risk of blood clots may cause pulmonary embolisms in the lungs. If you pick gas and suffer from pulmonary embolism or deep vein thrombosis, you may be entitled to compensation. Call 800-208-5622. 800-208-5622.
Calling all vampire-chasing cooking show fanatics. Enjoy all the things you love better with Time Warner Cable. Never miss a minute of your favorite shows, even if you forget to set your DVR. And say goodbye to buffering. Call 877-887-3209 today for packages as low as $89.99 a month. Plus, ask about DVR service free for 1 year and premium channels free for 3 months. Time Warner Cable.
Big News founded the gang with a simple goal.
That's me. I got busted, but oh well.